In this video, I'll show you how to create custom fields for your opt-in form. With WP Optins, you can have up to 10 custom fields, and you have to match them up with your autoresponder fields. Okay, so the field label is what appears, what the user actually sees, and then the field name is the actual form field. So let's go to Aweber and look at the form fields. Okay, so before you can create, let's go back to design mode here, and you'll see that phone is available, phone and address. Okay, that's because I've already previously created this phone field. So what you have to do is go to list options and then custom fields. Okay, and then you just add the field name. Okay, and that, if we go back to custom fields, that's what you're going to add here. But there's one hitch with Aweber. For some reason, unknowns to me, they add the word custom in front of the field name that you choose. So if it's address, it's going to be custom space address. So that's actually what you have to put into the form field in WP Optins. Now, I don't know of any other autoresponder that does that, but you just have to be aware with that with Aweber. So normally, like if you're in GetResponse, you just take this field name that you created, and then you go back to WP Optins and you paste it there. Okay, and then you'd have the label. Okay, so it could be phone or phone number. It doesn't matter. This is just what the user sees. But in this case, with Aweber, we're going to have to go and add custom space whatever the field name is in Aweber. Okay, so this, if this were address, it would be custom space address, and it has to be lowercase. Okay, so once we have that done, we can just save this, and now it's set up for every squeeze page you ever make. Okay, you only have to do this once, and in the future you just go create a form and add phone. So you have this already set up in your custom fields, and we can just go back to sign up forms, and if we go to, we'll just go to the main thing here. Okay, so now we have name and email address in this form, and we're just going to add this, and this doesn't really matter because we're going to recreate the form anyway. So now we have name, email, phone. Okay, we don't actually need that. Let's just, there we go. Okay, so now we're going to save the form, publish the form, Alright, so we'll highlight that, copy it all. Now we go back to the page we want to add this to, and we'll just go to this one, go to opt-in forms, highlight that, and paste it. Now, I'll show you what I mean. If you look at the hidden field here, let's see. It's actually not hidden, it's just an input field. So we have, this is an input, a text input for the name. Here's one for the email, and there's one for the phone. Now if we go to the name value pair, so you have the name equals custom space phone, value equals nothing. Okay, so that's what you have to add, is this custom phone. Sorry I'm driving on that point, but that's where a lot of people go wrong when they create these custom fields. As long as you create it right in the custom field setup, then you should be able just to copy and paste the text just as normal, and then hit update, and we'll take a look at the page. And now we have name, email, and phone. So when someone fills this out, that's going to show up in their records. So if we go to subscribers, and we can just search for all subscribers, and if you look at their record, the phone should be right here. Okay, and that's how you create custom fields with WP Optins. And just to recap, I mean, you can quit now and go do that if you want to, but I'm going to recap this real quick just to make sure you got it. Okay, step one is to create your custom field at your autoresponder service. Okay, and then copy that custom field and go back to WP Optins. You're going to paste that custom field into the field name text field. And if you're at Aweber, you're going to have to add that custom space. Next, you're going to go back to your form. You're going to add that phone to the form field. And then you're going to go publish and grab that raw HTML and copy and paste it into the opt-in form settings of your squeeze page. Okay, and that's it.